Mounting bracket, open button. Open the box. Install the aviation socket and power on. Turn on the power system, success. Use the slider to pull out the computer, power it on, and the power system lights up red. Use the slide bar to pull out the printer, power on, and the power system lights up red. Connect to printer and print successfully. Turn off the printer power and put the printer into the case. Passport identification. Fixed IC card reader. Use the slider to pull out the 10-finger fingerprint scanner and the recognition is successful. When finished, push it inward. Camera. Iris scanner. Document scanner. Close the computer and push it back inwards. Close the case, press the button and remove the support. If you have specific questions about the features, usage, or setup of the HFSecurity Biometric Enrollment Kit, feel free to ask.